Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Munya and I'm here with another weekly analysis, the 17 May weekly analysis. So right here, we're looking at GU and I'm gonna do my top down analysis and see what we have, right? So I can identify this trend. Okay, this is a clear downtrend that we have here, and then I can have another trend line here. Okay, I can see that my price has been obeying this channel, right? I can see that my price has been obeying this channel. Okay, let me start from here and ignore this so that it's clear to everyone. So price has been rallying within this channel on my weekly time frame. So I'm going to move on to my daily time frame and see, do I have the same picture? Okay, you can also see that this trend line is way above. Yeah, and this, okay, just adjusting a little bit for my daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, you can see that we were in an uptrend, and then the price got into this channel, and then it started to rally down in a downtrend. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to my forward time frame and see what has been happening. So for my forward time frame, I want to set trend lines closer to my current market price, right? And I also want to identify my support and resistance levels. All right. So, right, from the 4 hour, I can identify my zones. Okay. This is the first zone, which is going to be my support zone. You can also see that there was resistance at this level. Okay, so I'll consider these as fake outs, and I'll also put a level on them. Okay, so I want to move on to my 1 hour time frame so I have a clear picture of what has been happening, right? All right, so we can actually see that price has been within these support and resistance levels, and we can see that at this point price broke this resistance, then formed a new resistance here, then it obeyed the support and then obeyed the resistance again, and then kept on rallying, and then it broke to form another high level, then it came back to obey the support, and then I retested this level again, and then it came back. Right, so now the question will be, where is the price going? So I can also have a closer trend line to my current price, to my current market price, right? And I think at this point it is clear. Okay, my trend line is not perfect, but I hope you get the picture of what has been happening, right? Okay, so at this point I can clearly see that my price bounced off this trend line. This is GU, but it bounced off this trend line, and also it broke the support zone, and maybe it's heading towards this new trend line that it's obeying, right? Because clearly the market for GU had no proper direction. You can see that this can be considered as consolidation if you're looking at a bigger time frame, right? Because the market had no permanent direction, but now it's now starting to form its direction, and it might be heading for this position to form a new low position, because it has been forming new higher positions, right? Okay, so this is what I think. G is going to drop to this position and maybe retest this and keep on dropping until it maybe reaches this point, right? So that's for GU. Let me pick another pair, maybe AUD USD. Let's see. Okay, there was an analysis already. I'm just gonna remove everything. Okay, so I'm gonna start off from my weekly time frame again, as you all know, and draw a simple trend line here. Doesn't have to be accurate because we're gonna move to smaller time frames here. Okay, done. The daily chart, let me see. Okay, for my daily chart I can see that price is approaching this level because it has bounced. Okay. Some prefer to cut these candlesticks, others would say why not just obey them like this. It's too fine, but I can clearly see that it's the same thing, right? Okay, I'll move on to my 4-hour time frame, where I'm going to identify my zones and maybe draw a few trend lines. Okay, for my 4-hour I can clearly see this nice channel. Okay, I'm looking for the most number of touches. Okay, I don't have the most number of touches there. Maybe we'll be clear. We'll be able to see. We'll be able to see the charts clearly in a bigger time frame. So I'll just have this in a smaller time frame. I'll just have this for now, and maybe move on to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so from the 1-hour time frame, you can see that that was a good trend line. I can maybe adjust here to have most number of touches, and I can now see my resistance zone is clearly this one. This is the first that I have identified. You can also see another one here, my support. Okay. Oh, this is perfect, because now I have a double confirmation of my entry. Price is at my support, at the same time it's at my trend line. So I'm now looking for what? For buy positions, maybe to retest this position. If that doesn't happen, then I know price is targeting this lower support. So price is most likely to bounce to this level again, and then maybe this one, or maybe price is going to break this trend line and the support and form a new low here. So I don't know what you think, guys. Comment in the comment section what you think price for the analysis for AUD USD is going to be. Let me look the 50-minute time frame. If you have anything that you want, a video that you want me to do, or anything that you want me to put on my YouTube, just comment it in the comment section. I do read your comments, and I do try to improve on everything that you'll be doing. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video, right? And also there's a group where I'm post setups and stuff, and other information that is related to trading. So you can just contact me with my details, or go to my Instagram. I will respond to your message and then add you to the groups, right? So here there are so many confirmations from the 15-minute time frame, because I also have a channel right here. I also have a nice channel right here confirming. So now I have 3 confirmations. Sorry, I have 3 confirmations of my trade, my buy trade. Because I know price definitely has to bounce at this point and then go up, right? I don't know what will happen. Comment in the comment section and we'll see what will happen. Okay. Alright. So maybe let's take a look at, okay, maybe let me put the forecasts here. And so my stop loss will be around this support zone, maybe at the end of it, and my take profit level is this. So I have a good risk reward ratio of 2:3. Let's see if that is obeyed. Okay, so maybe let's look at Euro USD. Okay, this is the pre-analysis. I already looked at it and I was checking what was happening with the Euro USD, and I came up with a short scalp of buying Euro USD up to this level. That's what I think. I don't know, you can comment in the comment section what you think Euro USD might do. Okay, so we are looking at maybe price will be bouncing between this resistance and this support level up until we reach this trend line that I had drawn up here, and maybe price can fall back to retest this level and then go back up. I don't know if price will break this trend line and start going up. I'm not sure, but we are looking at this short buy trade, which is a scalp. Let me check the number of pips that we can get. Okay, it's about 24 pips. 24 pips that we are looking for. 24 pips. So we can see that it's quite a scalp, and also the risk is also about 24 pips, right? So when the market opens, we're probably going to enter into a buy Euro USD. We're going to enter also into a buy LED USD. The other pair that I analyzed was GU, right? GU, we're looking for a sell. GU, we're looking for a sell. So maybe we're going to enter a short sell, a short sell here. And let me move this. Okay, maybe we're targeting this region, and maybe the stop loss will be here, and we have a risk reward ratio of 1. Sorry, maybe the risk reward ratio, yeah, it's 1. 1:1. How many pips are we targeting? Let me see. About 10 pips. Oh, sorry, it's not 10 pips. It's 108 pips for the sell. Okay, I moved up higher temperature. So it's 108 pips. Let me confirm that again. Yes, it's 108 pips that we want to target for this sell. I don't know what price will do. Maybe just 10, but most likely I'm looking for for it to reach this point. For my price to reach this point. Yeah. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and until next time.